maybe त्यो त सम्भव भयो के भयो होइन hotel data is not found because I don't have a hotel data. That's why can I merge?
के भन्नुभयो
मैले मर्ज गरिदिएँ मैले हो तपाईँको उसमा
नगर्नु
ब्रेकआउट रुम नै गयो त के भन्नु
होइन ब्रेकआउट रुममै गरेको
मैले क्लोज गरिदिएको यहाँ सराउन्ड भइसकेको छ अनि
एकैचोटि थाहा
मेरो क्वेसन छ नि त्यो होटल डेटा इज नट फाउन्ड भन्छ कि त्यही भएर तपाईँकोसँग मर्ज गरेको
अनि त्यहाँ सल्लाह सोध्नु भएन कि
के कुरा
होटलको के इस्यु भनेर
होटल
ए त्यो डाटाबेस इस्यु
डेटाबेस इस्यु त भयो के अरे 404 आइपुग्यो 500 बाट
ए फोन आयो
भनेपछि सर्भर इस्यु छैन अब इस्यु चाहिँ नि डेटा
अहिले अब इस्युको कुरा नगर्नु भोलि सबै फेरि आज पनि एक्सटेन्ड गरिदिनु
कम्प्लिट भयो चिरञ्जीवी सबै
कहाँ हुनु भाइ मेरो पाकको त भयो सबै होइन अलिकति उकैतापट्टि भइरहेछ भनेर म एक्सपेक्ट गरेको अब त्यहाँ खै के नलागिरहेछ कोड मर्ज भएपछि हुन्छ होला मेरो कोडहरू अलिकति रिलेटेड छ होइन त्यो भएको र मेरो मर्ज गर्छु अनि त्यस पछाडि हेर्छु त्यसरी सक्यो तपाईँको सब कम्प्लिट भयो दाइले मेरो काम अलिकति जिम्मा दिनु त्यो
एउटा कुरो जस्तो मेरो ब्रान्च छ होइन कसैको ब्रान्च छ त्यो ब्रान्चलाई अर्कोमा चेकआउट गरेर गर्नु
मिल्छ अरू कसैको ब्रान्चमा कसरी गर्नु लोकलमा गर्ने हो हामीले काम
होइन त उसको ब्रान्च आफ्नोमा चेकआउट गर्ने
हुन्छ उसको कोड तपाईँले ल्याएर तपाईँको उसकै एरियामा तपाईँले पुस गर्न मिल्छ
चेकआउट गरेपछि कोड शुद्ध आउँछ कि आउँदैन
आउँछ आउनु पर्ने जस्तो
मैले ट्राई गरेँ भयो
एउटा बेग्लै फोल्डर बनाएर गर्नु अर्को कसैको कोडहरू पनि एउटै कुरा त
ब्रान्च चाहिँ आफ्नो ब्रान्च चाहिँ अरू कसैको ब्रान्चलाई चेकआउट गर्ने आफ्नोमा अनि त्यसो उसको कोड सबै आउँछ अब बाँकी के छ धेरै छ मान्छे
So guys, can you please send me that Jira URL that for the Jira? Can you just send me the URL? Push. Can you please send me? I believe sprint 1, anybody is still pending of anything? Any work?
Work
or
is
we are done?
only PR is pending.
Only PR?
Yeah, my also still 47 is still pending. Still working on it.
So already created a PR.
Okay, whose PR is pending? Okay, I can see so many here.
Can you merge my PR because I have the key generator and everyone is waiting on that.
Which one? Your PR means create API for tab.
Yes.
These are Susan, Madhav, Ujjwal. Okay, if I merge yours, then others will be impacted.
Alright.
I mean, that's fine. I need to do that. Okay, so I can see PR from Ujjwal, Madhav, Kush, Suzan. So if I'm merging Dutch's one, let's see what he has. So make sure you guys are just taking latest update and then resolve conflict.
So, for team 3, if Doge is raising the PR, like our code is almost same, so like pretty much same. So do we need to raise the PR as well, or we can merge from the development? Because like we have been working together and it's almost same. It's
Yeah,
same.
that's fine. Why if it is same code, then why you need to raise a PR separately?
So we don't have to, right? If we get merged from the development.
Yeah, you don't need. And did you hear about that code? That code you did merge before only? That common not null check and all? Did you merge before?
Mm, uh, I try to use the method that Kus created, but I couldn't use it properly, so I kept the string check.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Looks fine to me. I'm approving. So please others take the latest from develop, resolve your conflict and raise back the PR. I have merged this one. Yes.
Thank you.
Please inline those. Okay. So I have merged one. So Ujjwal, Madhav, Nisha, Kush and Suzan. Okay. So officially we are starting, today we are discussing, so I'll make sure that we will be starting from tomorrow. So whatever pending work, please complete and raise a PR, get it merged. Maybe four of you are pending. If nobody else is pending PR, then do one by one. Rather, every four of you doing together. Maybe let Suzanne do the thing. Once Suzanne will merge, then Kush you will start. Then Ujjwal, then Mother, you can do like that. Otherwise, now you do merge your develop branch again. Somebody's code will merge again. You need to do that process. Then hold on. Let one guy complete. Then do the process like that way. Go serially instead of parallelly. Clear? So who is doing now after this merging PR? Who want to go?
Yeah, I think my PR is separate than other one because this one is to be. I think there is
No,
no.
but you have to take the latest from develop. As I just merged, you have to take latest from develop and check in back again to your branch.
Okay, I will.
So rather, yes, push back. Okay. And whatever completed, if it is fully completed, then please mark it to date completed. And so QA will come soon. And how about that one, Swagger push? Have you completed?
I got one issue for in cycling, the dependency cycle. So can you check it?
Dependency cycle, okay. Okay, I'll check it that later then. Anyway, that's not a very urgent. You can complete this task first, then I'll come to that. Okay, let me share my screen. Let us start. I hope everyone is here. Anybody? No, I think everybody is here. Yes, Subhendu sir having some issues, so he's not feeling well. I think he left. Yes. I will discuss. He has groomed already. me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yes, we can see.
Okay, cool. So this is sprint 1. I'm supposed to go to backlog. 19th September is 21st. Sprint to 20th September to 27th September. There are 9 stories. I come to board. Trouble sharing. So what I can see couple of tickets in progress. So are those completed? Respective teams is a response. There are in progress ticket, couple of in progress ticket I can see. Ujjal, Madhav.
Both are cleared the PR, but
Yeah, mine is in progress. Yeah, I also creating the PR after merging all. Then we'll merge with another one and we'll complete that.
Okay, and then I'm discussing today's sprint 2, but I cannot complete sprint. If I complete sprint, you don't see this here.
Yeah.
I will go to backlog and do discussion then. Okay, this is customer registration. So customer can register the web portal by providing below details. This is sprint 2 item. So Kush, I will add that Swagger thing in sprint 2 then. Yeah.
yeah,
As you have an issue, so let's not waste time over there in sprint 1. I'll add it into sprint 2. If not there, I will create a ticket and add. Okay, so this is customer can register to the web portal. First name, last name, email ID, all this information. Once registration is done, the welcome email should send to customer with greetings, username, password details. We need to integrate Java email server in our code to send an email to the respective customer. This is the new part that we need to explore. So again, I will assign the ticket similar fashion to the team lead. So they need to make sure they should come forward and distribute, discuss among your teams and come up with a subtask. Okay. So first I am going with the story. So that you need to integrate Java mailer. So there is a Java mail service which you need to integrate in this particular case. Okay. We need to decorate the email with a proper image and text content template. Some video has been attached here. So this is send email using Spring Boot. The whatever the resource has been given, how you can integrate Spring Boot with Java mail server. Okay. Template look like this. Some template has been attached. Welcome to yeah, Chiranjeevi. I was trying to ask anything. Customer ID will be auto-generated in backend with suffix WTC, the following numeric number starting from this, and increment by 1 in each customer registration. Okay, so we can use that method, right, Darji, that you have written for the custom generic this one created.
yes.
And one more thing, maybe we need to modify there. We should allow them to send the initial number. Maybe by default you have hard coded to 1000, right?
Yes.
So you can add one more parameter over there saying that start number. For example, if somebody wants to use for customer ID store, so they can send the start number from 09203 2023.
So we need to keep that dynamic.
Yes, dynamic in the sense you can take an argument of that method, right?
Okay.
That's a utility method. You can take an argument rather hard coding 1000 over there.
Yeah.
Maybe you can take as an argument called 1000.
Okay.
That means start number. So whoever wants to start whatever number from, they can pass it from there, whoever is calling.
Okay.
That makes sense to everyone. I hope everybody is using for that particular utility method that Dorji has created.
And suffix is a WTC.
Anyway, suffix back with suffix WTC. Suffix or prefix? Suffix means it should come after the number.
Yeah, but we have created prefix on that method.
WTC auto generated in backend with suffix. Make it prefix WTC. That's fine. I'll modify this. Okay, starting from this, whatever, and increment by 1.
So what is different between admin side customer detail and customer side customer detail?
So admin side customer details, whatever you have done, it's like admin itself is using adding some customer. For example, you have been contacted over telephone or some other source. You have to add those customers to do some certain operation, right? For example, a booking or getting some packages that is required, right? So in that case, so they are asking that can we add those customers from the admin side? Now this is customer itself is coming and registering to the application. That's the difference. And once customer will register themselves, so we are supposed to send an email. Email things once we integrate, we can integrate to the other section that you have already implemented.
You cannot merge the admin or customer side table as a one table.
Admin and no. From admin you are uploading customer, so you have one customer table, right? Already. Do you have a customer table? Push.
Yeah, we have already one customer table in admin.
Yes. Yes. So there only you need to update this or you need to add this. In the same table, right? Why there will be different tables? But you need to make sure you integrate this part, WTC and this number starting from. Okay. All fields are mandatory to provide first name. These are the validation logic, mobile number, password, all this thing. But here new challenge would be exploring this welcome email. This is a challenge. Okay, as this is team, anybody has any question? So now, I will not follow the conventional rule here. I want everybody to explore the application. So I will change the team in this case, assigning. For example, this was done by team 2. Not necessarily this task will be done by team 2 only. I will assign this task to team 4. Why? Because I want everybody to explore the entire application. It's not necessary whatever you worked on the area, I'll give the work on the related to that one. No. So that what will happen is you can understand the code, you can work across the entire code, right? So you have that area. So I will assign this to assign to team 3, the team. So just make sure you are checking this is already customer table created by push team previous sprint, sprint 1. Use the same table. Only modification is required is whatever column is required, you need to just add or delete, and you have to make sure that what you mean by that primary key generation. That is the one thing you need to look into.
Okay.
And the email server.
Can you scroll up a little bit?
Yeah.
So for this welcome message, do you need to create the dashboard like a HTML, JSP sort of thing?
No. There's something comes a sort of template. The template comes in XML file, so you need to create the template where all message will go. If you read this documentation, you will understand. First, go over this documentation and let me know if your understanding is clear. If not, then I will help you out. So there, you don't need to write any JS pages, but you need to write a template. Template might have your this tag, anchor tag, and all. This template you will be keeping in the server side on. You will not be writing any UI code.
Is that a time template?
Not time template exactly, but this is kind of a email template that will be used to send the data. Send the data in the sense the format of the email would be written over there.
There is predefined methods.
Yes, not predefined methods, I would say. Predefined elements of HTML elements and all, right? So that you have to use over there. Yes, obviously some method will be there to connect. If you go over it first, let me know. Understanding is clear. If it is not, I will help you to do this. I'm assigning to. Okay. Assigning to team 3. This is this is maybe not only the task. I will assign more, but make sure you create a subtask. Connect with your team after the grooming session. You connect with your team, think and distribute the task. Okay, maybe you can. It's not necessary you have to break it into the 4th subtask. Break it into 2, and make it sense that okay, one person will take care of this other person because I will assign more tasks. We have a 9 story. And I have a 4 team. So obviously part team will get 2 stories, on an average. Okay. And Kus is already having that swagger thing, so he has 2. So that is team 2 already having 1 story. Along with. Okay, so make it distribute on the 2 subtasks. If you feel that okay, 1 people only should be responsible, or let's do it 1, or if you feel 2 people, then anyways break a subtask. Okay. Assigning already, yes.
Everyone will be able to use the swagger.
Yes, definitely you should be exploring and working on the swagger. Yes, I have given responsibility to complete, but anyways, you can connect anytime with him, try to understand, or if you wanted to do hands-on, take a small project, whatever project we have done, maybe before come to this final project, you can implement swagger over there. Anything in your own, that's up to you, how you want to utilize. But yes, part of this entire sprint, I cannot assign swagger to everyone, right? Because this is simple.
Going forward, we don't need the postman.
We need it. For developer, we need it. Because we need to, but yes, you can use the swagger, you can use better use of swagger as well. But mostly that is used by everyone. For example, your project manager, he doesn't have a knowledge about what you are working. He can simply open swagger and he can check that what API you have prepared. For example, if you wanted to handshake, you wanted to send the API to third party. So third party should come and check about that, right? How this is working or why this is working. So they can check in the Swagger, right? It's a little bit UI format is there, right? It's not like Postman. You have to paste your JSON, then it will work. As you have already informed, as you have already given that in the API, while preparing the API, your expectation of your JSON, it will automatically detect and it will prepare JSON structure, input JSON structure for you. Okay, and the output expected output also. Clear? Anyways, so you can also explore that part. I'm not stopping anyone to explore it. The team 3, so the G, please take a note of this story. You have to do the subtask. Let me go to the next one. This is saying, okay, add, delete and update. Maybe after registration, customer can edit their profile details, username, email address. Okay, all data can be edited by using the email address. Okay. Okay, I'll assign this to team 3 this time. So 7 and 9 I have assigned. Now customer login feature. So this is mostly on the customer side. Previously we have done admin side. This is mostly customer side. Customer login after registration, only customer can log in with the application below details. Probably this authentication thing already done by Kush. So part of the admin section. Now we have to make it available. Mostly I don't think we have to do much here. We have to simply check that the customer login is happening properly with the username and password. So make sure that team 3, whenever you are implementing this customer registration part, you should bypass all the authentication. You remember how to ignore that authentication. Your authentication should not apply for first two stories. Clear? So this story doesn't need any authentication related thing. I'll assign this to team 3 as well. So these 3 things you need to work on. Registration and login, because I could have distributed to other teams, but anyways it is difficult for team 3 to again or other team to again check on this. So team 3 will be looking into this 3 stories, 7, 9 and this. Because team 3 sprint 1 was little relaxed, but now I will put it some pressure on team 3.
No, not with the validation and all.
Now which one?
Yeah, it's okay.
No, I because team 3 I know there's a 4 member, but yes, work was not that much. That's fine. Now this time you have to work on this entire section, the customer login and registration. So G, I believe this you can create a subtask, all the necessary.
Yeah.
All these 3 things. 7, 8 and 9. Okay. I think a story point also, okay, story point also, did he, okay, he only did for, okay, story point has been given this one, story point has been given to, I believe you remember what is story point.
Yes.
Okay. This has been given to,
2.1 day.
sorry?
2.1 day.
2.1 day. Okay, 2 means 1 day, correct? Now 1 point is equal to how many hours?
4 hour.
Correct. So just to recap. So this is called story point. So this is 2 is fine. Everyone looking looking at the story?
Yeah, yeah, we'll review it, and if any confusion, we'll ask again.
Okay. But no, that is fine as the requirement. How about the story point? Looking at the story.
If I was, I will get 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think for this one, the sending emails and everything, I think it should be a little bit more story point.
So I'm giving 2 days. I'm giving 2 days. Just because you have to do a little bit of R&D. It's a little gray area for you guys. This particular email section is a little gray area. So any other thing is very simple. You have already done it. It's a 2 second. Maybe half an hour's job. You can quickly complete it. Only challenge will be this part. You need to study and you need to do it. And I think this is fine. This is simply edit, update, delete, and this.
Yeah.
And login, most of the cases has been handled because it's the same login feature that will be working for customer as well, which Push has implemented for Push and team has implemented for admin. And to make sure you have to reuse that. You cannot create a separate login features. You have to accommodate there itself. Even if you see there maybe user details service, whatever he has written, he might have written for a log. So you have to handle that push for customer or only for admin?
Only for admin, but that part is also remaining.
Remaining means? Or what is remaining?
You told me to hold on for later.
Okay. So that is because maybe I asked you to implement JWT.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will give this also little extra point here. I'll increase it to 3 story point just to make sure that existing login of the admin as well as this customer login both are working fine. So both will follow the same login features, nothing else. Okay. For now, Dorji, what you have to do is you can use the same user details object you can use. For now, maybe he is fetching for admin. Maybe for you guys need to fetch it for customer as well.
Okay.
In the same place. Okay, so this is the 3 story for team 3. Let's go to the next. Forgot login option. Okay. So I will assign. So this is something where a customer can use the link to get back the previous password for login. After clicking this link, customer need to provide username or mobile number. Based on the username mobile number, you search the respective customer existing password. So this is little complicated features. So here it's like customer can use the link. Okay, let's change something. Okay, I will change this assign. I will assign this to team 2 because as they are doing the login, I will come to team 3 in some other task. But this I am assigning push to you. There's a reason. Because back of the mind, I had a thought like you have done that authentication part, right? I want you to complete that part, maybe with the customer as well. Okay, that part along with this part. This is I am assigning to team 2. So here also you need to same thing. Probably both of the team can collaborate, team 2 and team 3, because you also you need to use the same email template, but in a different way. This email template is different and this email template will be different. This is forward password and that is welcome message.
For the email validations, we need a separate email for the testing purpose. We do need to create a separate email.
Which one?
For the email validation, like we need the email, the sender email, right, for that?
Yeah, so whatever email address will be their username, right? So email ID will be your username, right? Same email ID will be forwarded, always. Considering your
Yeah,
email ID
the
always
customer-
unique, right?
Customer email address, we will send the link to the customer email address, but the sender
Yes.
email will be our, right?
Yeah, sender email you can give anything. Yes, ABC, so some xyz@abc.com, something like that. That we can change it. Again, it will be configurable. You should make it configurable so that you can keep it in some application properties file or somewhere so that you can check it later.
Yeah.
So this is customer can use this link to get back the previous password for login. That's why I keep it with team 2 so that you guys can work on this together. I am increasing this to 4 story point. Clear? Any doubt, any question here? Some validation to this. Yeah, Kush?
No.
Okay. I know you have your team has a 3-story right now, including the swagger. So yeah, I will check on that. So this swagger and this login part. Mostly login has been handled. I just assigned so that we can make it in line that part. As well as this is also connected to your login only. I have assigned to your team. So make sure you create a subtask and distribute between your team. Okay. Close. Next, go to customer can search a particular place to avail packages available for the destination. Okay, so we need to create an API. Now we are trying to create a customer dashboard. Simply. As of now, whatever you did, part of Sprint was on admin dashboard. Like admin was creating the packages, creating multiple permutation and combination, was creating the packages and all. Now in this particular case, customer can search a particular place to avail packages available for the destination. Customer can search two details by any destination trip place. So this is already there. These all tables will be there already. You don't need to do any table creation. That is why it has been given story point 1. No table has to create it, nothing. Whichever team will be working on this. Only thing is you need to make sure you need to create an API. You will take the search by trip name, Delhi, NYC, New York City, whatever it is. Then it will retrieve the details, package and itinerary for that trip. Itinerary means it will include the hotel, it will include the cab, all the things has been done. But it will be searching based on trip name. Clear? Any question? So this I am assigning to team 4. So team 4, you need to make sure you are creating a subtask. Chiranjeevi. Okay. So you create a subtask. Any doubt? All the table in place. You need to simply create an API. Not a much work here, but yes, you have to make sure you are fetching the correct trip.
We will search by name. Then on that trip
But
name,
correct. Search by trip name for maybe for Delhi you have created 10 packages. Admin has created 10 packages. You need to fetch all 10 packages and give.
Okay.
You have to remember all this entire thing. Like trip means the main part, the parent part. You can go over the tables that has been done by team 1.
If there is a 10 package, then that package, all packages will be displayed.
All packages should come. Yes. This is simply a search.
Yeah.
Let me go to the next one.
It's only one story point.
Should be one, right? Okay, let's change this to 2. Because if you distribute this between 2 people, it should be one story point, but anyways, I'm giving this. Fine. Okay, so now customer can see any particular destination package with all the details. Any particular destination package in the sense, okay. Acceptance criteria, customer can see any particular destination package with all details. That means here again you will perform search. Again you will perform search likewise this.
That
If you see
that
this,
is that
yes.
that is
Now
that will not cover by this story.
No, you have to create a separate API, right? Can search two details by the destination package. This time it is package. For example, a 4-night 3 days package. So I wanted to search based on that because once I searched based on trip, I got all the package details. Now I wanted to search for particular package. Destination, let's say Delhi, I wanted to search particular this package. So here it not certainly is not correct. If we search that, then entire itinerary, entire itinerary, like here you have like itineraries and so search by year will copy this, but
in this case, let me see the difference in the two story. Here we will only display the package only, right? From the destination, only package, and another one.
Package means it will show the details itinerary.
Details itinerary. On the another one, that's
another one, the details blocking destination, because another one will give you the entire thing though, but again if somebody is clicking on any package, you're supposed to call them and give them entire thing. Okay, so here also whenever you will be implementing this, right? So here it is like can search a particular place to avail packages, so it will see or show only the package information.
only single packaging information.
Yeah, single package information. Not single package information for that particular trip, how many package associated with that. Clear? For that particular trip, how many package associated with this, you have to display over there. Clear?
Yeah.
So, and this one, a single package, like package means package, let's say,
package inside the package details.
Package of trip Delhi, let's say. This is specific package of trip Delhi. You need to fetch that. Itinerary. This is validation criteria. If trip place is not available in database, then give a proper message. For example, if they are searching based on some trip, this is something different. If that's not right, so it's not different. Yes. But anyways, we about asking this is a different validation you have to do. If no package present That can be possible, right? If you are looking for a trip where there is no package. So particular trip, then proper message. There no package associated.
Another package.
Another destination. There is no package associated or not destination. Please choose another package. No package associated with the trip. Or maybe I will put it in a different way. No package present or if no itinerary. No itineraries present or package of a particular trip. Correct? No itineraries, right? For inside packages, you should be having itineraries. There is a possibility that you don't find any itinerary. No itineraries. Yeah. Searching. This is not required. So this is also I will assign to your team. Info. And story point.
Description is removed.
Oh.
Oh,
Is there it? I will make it save. Okay, I'm giving two story point on this. Please look into this 10 and 11. Okay, so next. Customer can place order or inquiry for a particular package. Admin can see order and inquiry from the customer. Customer can see the order and inquiry history. Okay. So this is something which is customer can select the packages and or yes, they need to select the package and they need to send the order inquiry for a particular package. So acceptance. Okay, so this customer can place order or inquiry. So that means order or inquiry will be considered as the same thing, but obviously order means you have to make sure you are dividing into two segments. So I'll assign this straight away to team 1. Srinath. So whenever you will be looking onto this, you have to make sure, even though here the statement is saying customer order or inquiry, place order and inquiry. Place order means he is okay to go ahead with this order. Inquiry means you have to consider that it has to be, the type should be inquiry, type should be order. Correct? So there should be 2 types. Srinath is available. Srinath, another team member?
Yes, sir.
Team
Yes.
1?
Yes.
Okay. So I believe you understood that requirement, that customer can place order or inquiry. That means when they choose a package, for example, definitely previous step they has opened the package, they search the package, the itinerary, details has come. Now they will choose. That means now in this time you have to create a separate table. That is the order table, customer order table and customer inquiry table. Maybe you can create like this.
Yes, sir.
So where you need to again prepare an entire JSON, you have to save it. Because now you can, what I would suggest is don't create the entire JSON. You can select the package ID or package name, try to relate. Maybe go to those tables. You have already created those strip and packages, right? So
Yes.
try to map the customer with those tables. Or I would say keep a foreign key of your package ID inside in your customer order table or customer inquiry table. So there will be 2 segments in this story. One is customer order, one is customer inquiry. You cannot mix it, because inquiry means it's not a final thing. Order means it is a final thing.
Sir, okay, but let's say like you said that we keep a foreign ID in customer, right? But if the customer let's say if he is a returning customer, then we'll have to add one more column. So can we not make a separate table for like customer order and customer inquiry, separate table?
Yeah, separate table only.
Okay. Yeah.
I am asking separate table for customer order, separate table for customer inquiry. So now in that customer order table, you need to capture couple of information, right? For example, customer ID, customer name, customer email. Where email is the important thing, right? And then along with that, you will keep map the package ID. Package ID will be mapped with your package table. You don't need to store anything else, right?
Yes.
Now the entire itinerary will be automatically mapped, is already mapped with your package ID. So you simply keep the package ID in your in your table. So you can easily in future, if somebody wants to see that what order has been placed, for example, the package details, itinerary details, admin wants to see that what order has been placed. Even customer wants to see also in future. You can simply, you have a package ID, go to the package table, drill down to all the itinerary level and bring it back, because you have a package ID, right?
Yes, sir. So that means I'll have to make a table customer order and customer
Inquiry. Separate table. Because don't keep it together. If you want to keep it together, you need to make it one flag.
So
whether it's the order.
Do I need to make separate entities and model for them, or?
Yes, up to you. Up to you.
Okay.
So if you feel that okay, creating 2 table is lot of table is getting created. If you feel that okay, let's keep it in the same table, giving a name customer order or inquiry, you can create a same table. You can go ahead with the same table also. But you have to make sure you put one flag saying this is order, this is inquiry. So that whenever you in future will be try to fetch what are the inquiries information, that I supposed to get it by the flag. Okay, I wanted to fetch information of all the customer details who has inquired for the package.
No, sir. I was talking about like should I make an entity for different entity for a customer order because I need to create a different table.
That is what that order entity, you will create an entity, multiple entity or not, all are related with the table. How many tables you are creating? If you are creating one table, obviously entity will be one. Customer order and inquiry, if you are making one table as a, then obviously the number of entity will be 1, right?
Yes.
If it is if you are planning to create 2 tables, then obviously your entity will be 2.
Okay. Now I just want to clarify. Do I have to make do I have to create an entity or not? Okay, I'll create 2 entities.
Yeah, yes. So that is what now you can think of it. That which is feasible. If you feel that okay, customer order and inquiry, let's make it separate table. Do it separate table.
Yeah, I think we'll do
separate
separate.
table is the best option.
Yeah, I'll do separate, I guess.
Okay. So now customer can choose details, choose the package, make a subtask here because it will be having subtask for those things, right? So customer can choose a package of a trip. Okay, so basically choose a package of a trip means you can store trip ID as well and package ID. These two foreign keys. So that it will be easy for you to track. If you don't want to store trip ID, it's fine, no problem. Because trip ID we can find out who is the parent of or where this package ID has been mapped.
Yeah.
Or else if you feel that
from package ID you can find trip ID.
correct. So if you can do that, then you don't need to have it. You don't need to store it in the table. You can simply only store the package ID. Prepare the JSON and get us clarified. That by tomorrow, when next do your team meeting maybe after this call, and then decide what should be the JSON, appropriate JSON, and show back the JSON. Okay. And create a subtask as well. Okay. So customer can choose a package of a trip and send for inquiry or can place final order. The final order should go to the order table and inquiry should go to the inquiry table. Now you need to prepare 2 JSON.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
And send it back. So there's nothing to research.
And sir, like the price, at the start, what we got was price will be calculated based on the hotels or the cabs we are getting, right? But do I make the price like one final variable?
Yeah, you have to make a price while people are trying to place order, right? That time price we are not calculating in the package. It should be pre-calculated, right? In the package section. Because it cannot the package price should be fixed.
Yeah. So that's what we were stuck. Okay, I'll keep the price fixed, and we need to add the commission and discount as well, right? To that.
Yes. And the commission and discount only for inquiry also. For inquiry, don't add commission and discount. Because once they will go for, people are inquiring means they are just looking for it. You can show the discount and commission here, you can show, I guess. Yeah, you can show. That what would be the final price.
Yes.
Yeah. You can put it because that would be relevant.
Okay.
So save details, package. Save details in this means it will be like customer order for packages. Don't need to do anything else, only package ID would be enough for you.
Yes.
As a foreign key. And customer inquiry. And so price should be displayed. I think, I don't know, part of your sprint one, you are not handling the price in the package section.
Like we have a variable that says price.
But price should be, final price of the package should be displayed.
Yeah, okay.
Final price of the package should be displayed, and discount and commission, you can add it. You can add, finally place order or inquiry, you can display the discounted price. That discounted price always vary. So that will be an input type. Maybe today 10%, tomorrow 20%, next week it will be 5% based on the business, right? It will change, it will vary. So this commission and this discount will vary. The day the customer is booking, it will. So you can consider that as an input variable.
Okay.
Always. Anyways, so for you it will be like a parameter. You have to do some calculation on your final price. Final price you will get it from package, and then you need to do a calculation and show the discounted price while saving this data. So along with the order packages, along with final price.
Okay.
Final means I write here discounted price. Same thing here as well for the inquiry. Because that is also very important, right? Even if people are inquiring, still we should show them final price. This should be the final price. What if they change their mind?
Yes.
By looking at the discount price.
Yes.
And some message you need to put the terms and condition applied.
Applied, yeah.
Otherwise, people might think, okay, 20% discount, let's choose it. But after 20%, we should be having some business rules, right? Cannot be wide open.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so discounted price, anyways, the calculation logic I should write here, or you can make it. So it will be more.
Final price will be total price plus commission.
Discounted price. So it will be like your final price. Actually, not final price. I should say actual price.
Actual price.
Actual price minus your discounted. Discounted will be in a percentage. So it will be this. You have to take that discounted price, right? Discounted price. Rather, discounted price you need to calculate, not discounted price. You need to say
actual price multiplied by
actual price multiplied by discount
divided by 100.
Divided by 100.
And we should also add commission to this, right, sir?
Yes. Commission will be in terms of, again, a percentage.
Yeah. So just we'll do plus and actual price into commission. Okay.
Let's do this. Keep it in brackets. Plus actual price. Commission should always come in the discounted price, right? Not in the actual price. Or what do you say? We'll put it in actual price itself.
I think this is fine, sir, because discount we are giving on the actual price and adding the commission based on
let's add the commission. Multiply by we need to add one more bracket. Otherwise, Botmash will delete this thing. Divided by 100. Commission is in your this one.
percentage.
In percentage.
Yes, sir. Good.
This looks fine.
Yes, sir.
This calculation has to be there, and you will calculate the discounted price, and you need to store it.
Okay, sir.
And validation criteria, definitely you need to validate, verify if the customer, but at the moment it will be logging in, so you don't need to check any validation because it's already logged in customer, right? So logged in customer means the customer related validation would have already been completed. You don't need to check anything. Verify if the customer has chosen the correct package. That is also very important, right?
But sir, if correct means in what sense? Like if
In one sense, no. For example, yes. For example, that customer is choosing by the time we have removed the packages from that inside. Consider this is very parallel.
okay,
That means parallelly that admin is deleting the package, maybe package is not working or package is having lot of issues. So admin is deleting the packages and the same time customer has choose the same package.
Okay, so I'll just hit the repo, and if the package is not present, I'll say
Yes.
no longer available.
Yes.
Okay.
Choosing the correct package. If not, go back. Error message as selected or rather the selected package is no longer. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Anything? Any other verification do you think? I
No,
think
sir.
no.
I think it's fine.
Yeah. So this you will create. I'll save this. And story point how many? How much you print?
Sorry. I'll know.
You will be working 2-3 people together. Maybe 2 people.
Yeah, maybe.
Because one will be in inquiry and one will be in order section. I'm giving to, what am I doing?
I don't need that much.
Yeah, I'll give it 2.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, that much time we don't have also. Okay, admin can see the order or inquiry from the customer. So this is almost related to the same. Whatever has been chosen in this particular section, you should display to the admin. So whatever table you are going to create, again this will be assigned to your team.
So admin can see the order or inquiry from the customer. Do the admin has to see the latest or do like all the?
Yeah, it has to see the latest. Whenever, for example, admin is logging in, right? So admin is logging in, and the same time customer is creating the package. So in that case, customer is ordering or inquiring the package. So there will be 2 separate API where admin should see that for example, in a tabular format, in a table format, that this customer name, email address, phone number, phone number, all the details of a customer, along with the package ID that has been chosen by the customer. You're supposed to display to the admin. Another section will be there, customer inquiry. If the admin goes to customer inquiry section, he can see that all the inquiry done by a particular customer, again email address, phone number, name, obviously those parameters should be there. So they can go to the database, they can see the details who has inquired. they can click, they can assign to some team member to call them. Maybe admin side, they would be having separate team, right? They will be reaching out to this customer, checking that what is the query, what is the issues, correct? So there will be two different tables should be displayed on the admin side. One for the order details, one for the inquiry details.
Okay, sir.
Again, this assigning to team 1. So mostly here it will be like you will be handling this in the two API things, right? Here it will be again two API. Customer can, now this is acceptance criteria. Admin can view order details.
So if I do like the recent, if you say he has to see the recent order or inquiries, so do I filter by date or do I need to put?
Yes, you have to.
Filter
You
by
have
date.
to given that option. Yes, you have to given that option.
Okay.
Filter
So that
option
means,
you need to add.
so that means in customer order or customer inquiry table, I have to put date as well. When was it created?
Yes.
Okay.
I will mention over here. Inquiry and final order, saved customer order for package along with final price. Then separate. Customer inquiry, I'll keep it separate. Price. Here you should always store the customer details as well. Customer
This is
details.
the basic details, right?
Basic details. If you for example, if you feel that okay, I unnecessarily, why again I will store the contact details and all. Rather, I would like to use the customer ID, because anyways the registration, a part of registration, they are creating a customer ID, right? Rather, I will take a foreign key of the customer ID and do it. In that way, in future, when you will you will try to fetch the data from admin side, you can simply query based on the customer into the customer table, and you get the information right away.
Okay, then that means I'll just map it from my table.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So customer details, I should say customer ID mapping from that the system will create. Customer I think already table already created by push, part of sprint 1. You can use the same table.
Okay.
Mapping from customer table, customer registration table. And date time. Date and time also is very important. And you need to very much important thing which you need to make sure that whenever you are showing date time, zone specific, or I should say local specific. For example, same application will be used in Australia, at the same point of time India, at the same point of time Nepal, at the same point of time US.
So local specific is wherever the admin is, right? Okay.
Admin is, or no, wherever you are open your application, not admin.
So I have to take the time from the system.
Yeah, for example, I am a customer. Think about it. I am a customer. I am opening your application now. I am I have choose one package and I am placing the order. So what time it's supposed to go for me? For me, it will be my time. But whenever admin will open, maybe admin sitting in US, so it will open in the US time for him. At this time, maybe what is that? Currently in India, it is now morning 8:21. So in US, it is like evening 10 o'clock, kind of that, right? So you should be saving the time evening 10 o'clock for US. So obviously, it is based on the local where you are accessing the application. You should see based on that. So local should come in picture. Correct? So that should be local specific. You have to handle that. Local specific. So this information should be same or would be stored here as well. And yes, you have to make sure while fetching from the admin, admin can view order details and inquiry details. So create a separate API for this. Two separate API. But one more thing, you need to make sure that this one it should be like for example, I can sort also. If user will be allowed to sort the data. If they want to sort based on date, they can sort it.
If the admin wants to sort on based on date.
Yeah.
Or okay.
So for example, you should be allowed to do that part of this. Initially, we'll sort it based on the latest date, but if user wants to sort opposite, you should be allowed to do that. So I would suggest in this particular section, try to implement with predicate. I don't know. Predicate might be a good option. Predicate we know, right? You can integrate predicate here. With the predicate, you can simply do the operation. Or think of it, just think and tell me what can be the physical option.
Okay, sir. I'll explore the predicate.
Yeah. Fetch details. Sorry. Admin. So while fetching, fetch customer information. So while fetching, obviously admin should see the package details. Admin has to see the package details, right? So what you can do is, while fetching the details, fetch all the necessary info. You need to display in a tabular format. So what are the necessary information? Necessary information will be your necessary info, like customer info, customer details basically.
Okay.
And in a same JSON. All will be together in the same JSON. Then two will be other than customer information. Next is your what you call package information. Package info. Package info, now you will say how we will be displaying in the same table. This package is like itinerary. So you are you giving any package name?
Package name. I think we are not giving package name.
We're not giving, right?
No, there is package name.
Is there?
Okay.
That.
Okay. So you should send all the information while in the UI how this can be displayed. Just a moment. Annotate things. Okay, for example, I have this tabular format, where I am displaying the customer ID, customer name, email. Now next is phone number, and after that I am showing you the package name. Chosen package or package name. Here package name will be highlighted and with a link. This is I'm talking about the UI front, how this is going to display. And then the date of the chosen thing, and final price. Final price means discounted price. So this will be the tabular format.
Okay, in the package we have the total price, discount percentage and commission percentage. So that means in our customer order table we will show the final price.
Final price should be shown here directly in the main table. But here I am asking you to in the UI it will be showing like package name highlighted in the sense in a linked format. Once user will, for example, admin will click this link, it will open a pop-up, display the entire itinerary and all.
Okay, this is for the admin, right? So admin is able to see the package information.
Yes.
Okay.
Just for an information, they can see this.
Okay.
So now, if I wanted to send back the information to my UI as a response, what are the information I supposed to pass? All the customer information along with the package details, because I am not going to do any call on click on this. As it is Angular, it will be like it can automatically bind.
Okay.
So I supposed to send the all package info, the itinerary details and all, along with the date and final price or discounted price.
Okay. So we are supposed to send customer information, package information, date, and final price.
Correct.
So the link part is done by UI, right?
Taken care. Yes. Yes. Call will be only once. It will be taken care internally because it's the data binding is there, right? So that strategy Angular they can do it easily.
Okay.
That's why I just kept it so that you guys understood why I need package details as well here in this point. So this package info, then you can say the date
and final price.
Order place of inquiry discounted price. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This is going to be same for all. Anyways, discounted price logic is not right. All necessary info for customer order and inquiry. There will be two separate. Any doubt? Validation is not required.
Okay, sir.
No validation is required. Why? Because this is simply we are fetching. It's not giving anything, right? So no validation is. So how many story points you fill? 2. Again, you will distribute this task.
Okay. Yeah. Then that is finalized.
Okay, so this is customer can see the order. This is in the customer section again. Customer can see the order and inquiry history. So it will be like all the details that they have chosen. Similar fashion. I should say exactly similar fashion you should give here as well.
So for the admin we have to create a filter, and for this the filter will be the customer ID, right?
Yes, customer ID. All the dates.
All the
Whatever that customer has chosen before, all the order and inquiry history should come up. So again, assigning to team 1. So accept them. Customer can view all the order and inquiry details based on the specific customer. Here you can put a validation. Just simply, if there is no order or inquiry present, show back message and there are no previous package show the customer name. Here you are supposed to show the customer name. Clear?
Yes.
So this is one thing. Story point I will give it 1 maybe, or yeah, 1 should be fine. Simply we'll just do the almost same query. Nothing much here. So this 3 story to you, can we just make a subtask of all this?
Yes, sir.
11, I think we have to assign. So these are the stories for now. I think team 3 will be first 2. Team 4, team 2 it is like this 2, 8, 59. This 2 is for team 4. Last 3 is for team 1. There will be more story will be coming up as and when we will be seeing the requirement. We will be keep adding. And one more story that I would like to do right away. I will do the create story to do summary. So summary I would say implement whether for entire into 3.4. That's fine. So this is the news one. This is already push is working, so I will say assign. So we have a story now for the swagger. So this is the board. Please complete this all story. I can only do this. This can only visible in board once I complete this. Then next print will come up. This print only can come up if we have this. Yes, UI development is there, level PRP to 10. Yeah. Complete this quickly, then we'll go to the next sprint. So by today, whatever is pending thing, please complete. So push, you can see that swagger thing tomorrow, from tomorrow. That is part of next sprint. No issues, no hurry. Please complete this sprint and move all the ticket to done. So whatever will be completed, done.
So Madhav tell that he give not time for more than 3 days.
Okay, Madhav is in your team, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he has messaged me. Madhav, you are here?
Yeah, I am here, sir.
Okay, so be in the team, be with the team. So anything is pending from your side, part of this task?
Only PR.
First I have already done. Only PR. Only PR.
Only PR. Then no worries. So Kush, make sure that you, whenever you are distributing subtasks, so whatever availability of mother based on the availability assign. Okay. He has some urgent personal thing, so let him decide how much work he wants to. But yes, can distribute that way. So after this call, please make sure you guys are completing. So anybody who has raised a PR, let by now. Anybody raised? Can I take anyone's PR to merge, or everybody needs to resolve conflict and do it?
I need to generate the agent ID. So
Okay, do it, complete it, and send push it for the PR, and update me over the group. That whose PR I can. Whoever will be doing the latest, update me there that I have done it. I have resolved conflict. I can review and merge, and then others can start taking the latest code. Okay. So Suzanne, anything is pending from your side?
Done.
Yes, I need to do the ID thing too.
Okay. Please complete that. Yes, Madhav.
Yeah, from my side, I think my conflict is resolved.
Oh, have you pushed the code after resolving?
Yes.
Okay, if I go inside your PR, okay, cool. This is customer controller. So, Darji, please have a look while doing this customer registration part, because there is already available customer table and all. So use those things. I think they have already created customer controller test. So maybe you can use those things. You don't need to create separately.
Okay.
They have done for that uploading the data from admin side, but you are doing independently.
Okay. And also, from our team, there was a little problem with the test cases. I think I just completed. Can I raise the PR again after everyone is done?
Yeah. That you can do.
Okay.
But make sure if you are raising a PR, there is no PR in the table.
Okay.
So then you should do it. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, I'm
From my
approving.
side, so I'm getting the 401 unauthorized error in the postman. Do you know what?
Who connect with Rohit, connect with your leads and
We're
maybe with
trying to solve it with the Srinath.
nothing, no worries. Maybe some configuration thing, and maybe you need. Are you providing username password?
Yeah.
So we tried with like putting his link in ignoring also, but we could not like get access.
Okay. Yeah, I'll check this maybe now only.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just merged Madhav's one. Madhav's one. So please make sure others are taking the latest one and push it. Yeah, now you can share.
okay.
Let me stop sharing. Okay, so guys, please complete the sprint one task, whatever mark date complete are done. Then I will again come back. I'll activate this sprint too. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Can you share my screen?
Not yet. Yes, I can see.
Excuse me, sir. Can
Yeah, push.
can we jump in the break room?
Yeah. Please. Others, go ahead go to the break room and then start working, please. And make sure before tomorrow's class start, complete all the subtasks and the required JSON. Prepare those things and show back. That's a task to everyone. Every leads, make sure you are creating a subtask with your team and prepare the necessary JSON and come back. Yeah, whoever done, please go break out to the other room. this thing. Rohit, please show me. What is this package entity empty? Okay.
No, I didn't.
Oh, where is your authorization? I don't see your authorization. Is it skipped?
What is it?
Your authorization, I don't see it. That's what I'm saying.